Alright, so we've just driven through Lynch Point, which is a beach in Manitoba, and this was the road to get to it. No sign saying, but this is a disaster area. This is completely flooded.
Looks like they hauled in these rocks just this year, probably.
Yeah, no, they just made this road, because this road did not exist. See if you can see to the left there. There, that is it. That goes forever.
Well, that's the lake.
I know, but that's how bad this is flooded. It's flooded right to the lake. Not one sign, and we just drove through mud, like a huge mud puddle just to get in the bus. We somehow made it, so yeah. Good job, Krushan, getting us out of there.